finally, masashare na po namin ang storya ng Makiling. Proud na proud po kami lahat dito because we've seen everyone in this project, from bosses to staff to the crew, na talagang into sila sa proyektong ito. Lahat binigay ang best nila. So we are so excited to share this story.
Hello, yun. First of all, gusto kong pasalamatan muna si Lord dahil lahat tayo safe nandito ngayon. Lahat tayo binigyan ng bagong year to celebrate our lives with our loved ones. And pangalawa, gusto kong magpasalamat sa GMA News and Public Affairs. Sir Neil, thank you. Si Miss Nessa, wala po ata siya here. Si Miss Karen, thank you po. Of course, from Sparkle, si Miss Joy, thank you po. Miss Tracy, and sa lahat po ng press people na dito po ngayon. Thank you for coming, and sana po ma-enjoy niyo po ang mga ipapakita namin. The first time lang natin makikita lahat, no? Mamaya. Yes.
So lahat pala tayo masusurprise dito. Alright, so speaking of, thank you so much Derek and Elle. Again, congratulations on this project. Pero kanina pa po natin piniplay yung mga teasers ng Makiling pretty much before the program started. Maaga pa lang po pang malakasan na pasabog na po agad yung mga teasers ng Makiling. 5 million views already and counting. Round of applause for the entire team of Makiling. Of course, headed by GMA Public Affairs. Pero, ito yung tanong. Ano pa nga ba ang dapat nating abangan sa Makiling? Now, let's focus our attention on the screen right there to catch the full trailer. Now again, sabi po ni Derek, ngayon lang po natin mapapanood lahat, including our cast. Pero, dahil ngayon lang po natin ito mapapanood, we kindly ask everyone not to record